be doing this. This is my first episode on YouTube. I've been wanting a YouTube channel since I was 2 years old. What's up, guys? And I just had a really short vlog. My assistant keeps taking.
Okay.
And until next time, you know what to do. Stay awesome. You should have peace. Peace out. You may know my mom. She's never allowed me on social media before. I finally got my YouTube channel. Finally allowed me. I'm so happy. I'm gonna be making all sorts of dishes. I'm even gonna bake a little. Really hope I make my parents proud. Today on my first episode, I'm going to be making Shakshouka, which is a Middle Eastern dish. And anybody more or less my age can do this. What you need are 3 eggs, some tomatoes, some salt, some pepper, 1 garlic clove, then some grass-fed butter, some extra virgin olive oil, and a pan. Let's put the stove. Let's heat the stove first. Get some heat in there, and yeah, we're ready to go now. So first we're gonna put just a little bit of butter. I just have this teaspoon right here, and I'm going to use that for the butter. And I'm gonna, like, if you guys can see that, now it slides really easily, like that. And that's when you're gonna add your garlic in. And sometimes I do make this for my brothers. And my brothers, I think, are definitely gonna taste this. Okay, so now my butter is actually melting just into the pan straight. And that's at the point when I'm gonna spread it. Start just spreading it all over the pan. Your tomatoes are gonna need to be cut into medium thickness, round. You're gonna start pressing them in there. I'm gonna lower the heat just a little bit so it doesn't burn. Okay, make sure you place them next to each other. Okay. By the way, it's okay if you cover the whole pan because you can crack the eggs on top. That's no worries. Okay, now I'm gonna add my eggs in. You just want to crack your eggs very carefully, just so it doesn't break. You have to have top-notch cooking skills for this. Okay, let's try that. That one's good. Okay, this is working. Today's the day for cooking eggs. Wow, they're all not broken. Okay, so now I'm gonna wipe my hand with some tissue. Actually, I'm gonna wash my hands, change of plans. You've always got to wash your hands after you crack eggs because you could get salmonella very severely. And now you're gonna crush in some salt and some pepper. This is Himalayan salt. This is just a healthier version. I like to use this one a little bit more than just normal white salt. Let's put that aside. Then I'm going to be, by the way, always tie your hair up when you're cooking. Now I'm gonna put in my pepper, just a little pepper. Just here on there, you know. Drizzle olive oil on the top. Just the right amount. I'm gonna cover it to cook for 2 minutes. In the meantime, I've got my basil plants, my basil tree. I'm gonna pick some leaves And just make sure you don't get like any yellow ones. It's better to not. And I'm gonna wash them and then chop them up. By the way, there's no need for soap or anything because that will just change the flavor completely. Now that I've washed my basil, I'm going to check on my eggs. If you feel like these are not cooking too evenly, and you can just push things around a little. I think mine is pretty good so far. Okay. Now we're gonna be waiting a couple more minutes and check on them again. In the meanwhile, you can just manually just tear these. So all you have to do is that, like, it doesn't have to be too small. Nobody's perfect. You just have to be like how you are. So these will give it an amazing flavor and the taste is really good. So you can pop them in now. Plop, pop. Okay. Some more. Some more. Okay, now we can let it cook for another 2 minutes and the smell of the basil just will absorb the eggs and it's gonna be so yummy. So let's cover that and we'll check on it in a few minutes. In the meantime, while that's cooking, I've got some pita bread, which is Arabic bread, and I got literally the biggest chopping board I could find because it just looks really beautiful on it. And I'm gonna cut my pita bread into 4s. I'm gonna put my bread placed nicely. I'm gonna put the big slices of bread like that, and I'm gonna just stack them. And now I've got some olives, and I'm gonna scoop some of these olives into here because it looks really pretty like this. And a lot of people love olives, like my mom. So let's see if the plate is clean. Check that. So we're gonna check on our eggs. Let's see now. Oh, that's exactly how you want them to be. So you want them to have like kind of like the white covering them just a little bit. Okay, and now I'm going to add some black pepper, and that always makes stuff, literally anything look so fancy. All done. Freshly crushed black pepper. And then I'm going to put that on the serving board here. And there you have it, the perfect dish to make your parents proud and impressed. I hope you guys enjoyed this first episode of Maha Makes. And don't forget to click the subscribe button. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video.